Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday. Hindi pa rin ako okay. Ito na lang talaga. Ubo ako ng ubo. Ilong ko tumatakbo kahit saan. Ilong ko tumatakbo talaga. Kakain tayo ng something before aalis. Kasi alam ko talagang magutom ako. Let's see what I can have here. We had breakfast, but right now it is 10, almost 11 na. Pero aalis kami, magpa-haircut si Tami kasi kailangan niya mag-haircut, and then ako din kailangan kong kumain kasi mamaya alam kong magutom ako. Nandiyan. Hindi ako nag-rice kagabi, nag-bread lang. So, I'm going to have some rice. Han? Hello, we eat something before we go. I'm gonna eat chicken and rice. Not too much rice. I feel wonderful. God bless you. God bless you. Magkaroon din ito ba? God bless you. Matatakdan ito ba? Ito yung binili namin ni Lloydie, guys. Yung sa kanya is pink. Ang sa akin itim. Ito yung, I think, $7 or $6. Okay naman. Maganda ka. Kailangan nang magpa-haircut itong asawa ko. Ang ilong ko, hindi ko talaga mapigilan, guys. And, mag-take tayo nito kasi parang, iwan ko, it says, multi for her. Meron akong isa, expired na tinapon ko. Kasi dinalagay ko siya sa that little bag. I'm telling you, hon. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. He's so big. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
You'll get yours.
Look, guys. Tom is giving Dimple something half straight. Oh my God. He really is something hard. Why, you don't give him enough?
I didn't give him any yet.
Oh, that's why he feel like sad.
He's sad. You get one piece at a time. He wasn't there. Yeah, little love.
He's kind of like Dada.
Ah. Ay, jeez.
Good morning. Ito yung ano life namin, guys. Hobbs is suddenly doesn't show up.
He showed up as soon as he told me to give us up the dimples.
Yeah, and then Tommy's tried to grab him. He's
getting crazy.
He went crazy, and he really tried to get Dimple's food. He tried, huh? He kind of
He
could.
knows he doesn't get that.
He's upset. Why you do that to
He
him?
knows he gets it.
The Tommy tried to grab him. He just choke. He tried to really get one.
Don't eat so fast.
That's it, honey. That's it. That's it. It's on the floor. What the heck? The floor become like a food dish. I'm tired of cleaning this mopping thing. I tried to open this too, guys, but I can't.
You kidding?
I know you're not supposed to use knife or something, and there is something a line here. Like the line is already ripped. Oh no, it's not even.
What?
He gave you the look.
You're afraid to go through that.
I know, because you grab him. He doesn't like to be in the hand. Oh, he's such a cute boy, man. A cute, spoiled boy. He think his sister's not allowed. Okay, that's it. Because I'm gonna give them something later. Somebody's trying to call me. Kain lang kami. Kain lang ako. Tommy also.
They're so damn cute.
He is not cute, honey. He's annoying. Did you see how annoying he is?
How's that guy? Don't want.
I have a lot of color that I don't even freaking know. Like Yonkers, 800.
Crap balls.
And then there's another 800 color.
Yeah, crap balls. The Yonkers ball too, crap balls.
Put the GoPro holder here. Look, it doesn't work. I guess doesn't work anymore, ha? Nagdala ako ng basura, guys, or lagyan ng ano, tissue kasi yung ilong ko. Yung ilong ko is ilongkal. Hopefully, makapahaircut ito kasi ang taas na ng buhok ko. Iba talaga yung pag may naramdaman ka, guys, ba? Kahit yung ginaw ng paligid, kasi maginaw naman, di ba? Ano siya? Very annoying. Like, mas lalo kang sasakit. Mas lalo mo maramdaman yung sakit. So now what?
I think I gotta get a new. I forgot yesterday. I should get a new ear hair trimmer.
You can have the one Misty have. I'm not using it. Okay, let's go. Finish your cigarette because it's gonna be... Anyway, guys. Tapos na si Tommy haircut. Pasensya na, guys, kung wala ako masyadong vlog, ha. May sakit lang ang lola niyo, guys.
Anything from here?
No.
You sure?
Yes, Tommy. Punta daw siya sa CVS. So, andito siya sa
Any
CVS.
other cold crap?
What?
Any other things for a cold?
No, I'm good. You got me a lot.
Pamprints?
No.
My dolls?
Han, I said I'm good. Okay, please. Just get what you need and we go wherever. Okay, you're too close into that car and you're far with this.
Not too close. I'm not too close.
Okay.
I'm in the room.
So, punta lang siya sa CVS me. I don't feel like going anywhere. I don't wanna put my sickness to everyone. What I feel, I don't wanna give it to them. Then, I'll see you later. Okay?
Yeah.
You got your haircut na ka rin. The woman just bumped my car. Let me see what the f is. Just fucking bump my car. The woman just freaking opened her door and bumped my fucking car. Jesus Christ. She just freaking scratched my car. So now what I'm gonna do? It's just ridiculous. I'm gonna call Tommy quick. Are you done?
Just about.
Okay, hurry up because the woman went inside. She get out from the car and she bumped your side, the driver's side. She opened her door, slammed it to our car.
So why didn't you say something?
She looked at me and she said sorry, that's all. And she went inside over there.
Yeah. Alright.
Hurry up to look here.
Yeah.
Bye. She slammed her door. It's like, oh my God. Suddenly. Let's see. Yung mga tao talaga na walang pakialam. I-back na lang nila yung, i-open na lang nila yung sa, ano nila, and then walang pakialam na may sasakyan sa gilid. Kaluka talaga. So, let's see what Tommy would say. Hopefully, he get out before the woman get out. Allah, she get out. What I'm gonna say? Gusto ni Tommy may sabihin ako. Anong sabihin ko? Okay. Parang kaunti lang naman yung scratch niya. So, hopefully, Tommy get out and see properly. You see some scratch over there?
It's like they got a whole fucking parking lot. They got, really? What the
She just honestly.
Yeah, shocking. I was bad in Manhattan one time.
What happened?
I'm driving, and you know all this traffic.
So you can't see anything?
No, so I'm sitting there, stop,
Oh, no.
like with all this traffic.
Yeah, that's her.
Yeah.
Are you you're not gonna say to her?
What am I gonna say? It's already done. So somebody in the cab, she's walking that way to make sure like I leave before she goes to her car. Apparently that's her. So.
That's her?
No, you said
No,
that
it's
was
not her. That's not her.
So.
It's a young lady. So.
Woman's getting out of the cab.
Okay.
Right. She swings the door open, slams into my car.
And.
You know, instead of waiting in the traffic, she's got to move. And it didn't open wide enough for her. She closed the door and swings it open again, slams it. I was like, really? Is there something wrong with you?
That's all you said to her?
It wasn't even her car, so she was going to damage my car and the cab. She was in a cab.
Shit.
I'm surprised the cab driver didn't smack her in the fucking head.
Seriously, some people doesn't have any of, how do you call that?
Common sense?
Yeah.
Brain cells?
They have brain damages. The cells are damaged. Anyway, guys.
Oh, we went off the road. That's all. We came on this road. We ended up like puddle. That guy had a big puddle. He went off the road and ended into a bottle.
Han,
What?
I don't like this.
What are you talking about? That's the kind that you had.
No.
Yes, the women's. What?
This is not. This is a different gummy. This is gonna be like ew gummy.
What is different about it? It's the same company, Vitafusion, Gummy, Women's. What the hell? What's different?
Metabolism, bone, and immune support. And the same thing.
Yeah.
Why you got two?
Because they buy one and get 50% off on the other one.
It's like 13 bucks, just get one. God, that's always you, Tommy, like that. And then we throw out stuff.
Not if you take them.
Hey, knuckle.
Hey, knuckle. Knucklehead.
What? Knucklehead. You just called me knucklehead. Knucklehead. I miss him. He's with me, but I cannot even kiss and hug him. I'm not allowed to hug and kiss him because hopefully he doesn't get what I have, because oh my god, it's crazy. Knucklehead. It's like a hard head. Han, you are the hard head one here. When are we gonna visit, Mom?
I'm thinking about going
Thursday?
maybe Thursday after I get my nails done.
I'm going over there with you. I'm going, hon, please. So what is that you need to be done first?
My tires, remember?
I'm going over there.
That's it.
I'm gonna visit Mom. I miss her. I've been watching a video of me and her, like our craziness. I miss her, like craziness, like laughing with me and stuff. Lately, that's what we do lately. You know, when she was still here. It's Lumala! God, Tommy!
I'm fine.
You are not.
Hide away back there.
You are not fine. You like keep going and you keep...
I'm fine.
Idadasmag niya kami, guys. Sagutan. You dasmag me?
Wait, what?
Dasmag.
Desk mug?
Yeah.
What's a desk mug?
You keep going to
It's a
the...
mug that you keep on your desk? Desk mug.
Dasmag.
A desk mug. It's your coffee cup, you put it on your desk, it's a desk mug.
You all, my dialect, Han, is like a part of an English that's broken. It's a broken
Something's
English.
broken.
Huh?
Something's broken.
You know what, Han? Our dialect is not broken. You make it broken. Because you translate it, you make it like in English broken. Han, seriously, Han?
I do the same thing with English words when you get it. I change everything. It's whatever makes it funnier, it's better.
Tommy makes me laugh when he like make fun of everything, like the language, the thing. He makes me laugh.
Change songs to really distort distorted songs.
Distorted. You ruin songs. And he makes me laugh more when our animals start talking through him. he make up words, guys, and the words that came out from my animal's mouth, it's funny. It's crazy.
Yeah, animals have a sense of humor, what can I say?
No, you make it funnier, hon. Hi, hold on, baby.
Yeah, I'm just gonna straighten anyway, just because.
I cannot do it, hon.
Seriously?
Yeah. Oh, now it's open. Press it. Now it's open. I can hear it from your phone. Opening. Okay, let's see. Watch properly, baby. Hello.